In this video I'm going to talking with about by which you can make your Android mobile phone more easier to use, and it seems to you more experienced and more enjoyable for you guys to use it. So how you can do this in this video guys, I'm going to talking with about, and it may be more important for you guys too. So without further ado, let's get started there. I'm Sajidz with you, and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Before just starting this video, I request you please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get all the notification in the future. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you guys. So to do these tricks there, you need to go to in the settings of your Android mobile phone, and here it is. This is my settings, and you all of them get those settings in your Android mobile phone there. So I refer you to find out those settings from here. So first of all, you need to do this from the accessibility settings from here. Now here it is, we are in the accessibility settings are there, and here it is, they have an option called the select to speech, and here it is, this is the option we need to use. And here another option is the text to speech output, and here from we will work it there. So first of all, go to in the text to speech is there, and from here we need to go to in the preferred engine. So go to in the gear icon, click there, and here it is, we need to go to in the install voice data from here, and from here you can select any voice data from here. As I am from Bangladeshi, so I need to click on the Bengali to select my own language, and here it is guys, there have a file you need to download, and it will be downloaded. To click here, and here it is guys, it's installed, and here I have only one voice that you can use, and in some languages there have a lot of voice, and from here you can select there. And so I just select my that voice from here and go to the back again, and from here there haven't any work. Now go to the back, and here it is, now go to the language, use the system language there, that system will use there. So here it is, I need to also select the use Bangla, so Bangladeshi. So here it is guys, my task is almost done. Now from here you need to go to in the back again, and we need to go to in the select to speech. So go to there, and now make it on. It may be off here, so make it on. Now click on the OK, and here it is guys, it's on. Now go to in the settings from here, and from the settings just open up these two settings are there. Now make it OK, and now make it OK, and now click on the continue, and here it is guys, it's okay. Now here it is guys, you will see that there have a new icon of that accessibility there, but in some mobile phone there have text messages icon there, and you will get some different icon too. So I refer you to click on there. So whenever I just click on there, there have an option will be coming there. So now I just go to in my text messages, and you can text it there as ever wherever you want to use there. So I just go to in the text messages there, and you can make it, use it, implement it wherever you want to use. So from here I just go to in the any text and go for a text there. So I just on that here, and now from here I need to select a text from here. So suppose that here it is guys, this is the text that I will select from there to there.
Internet said you have reached 50% of at_10 মেগাবাইট $2 টাকা প্যান। ইউটিউব এক্সপার অন সোমবার সেপ্টেম্বরের 16 ঘন্টা 2019। To avoid a bug, use charge reactivate the bundle by dialing *4# কিউডে রাত 1:17 AM.
So here it is guys, you can see that here guys, what the text is contains, it just speak to you. So now it seems to you that guys, it will be more easier for you to hear everything from there. And it's not only in the messages, you can use it in your messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, on your website, everywhere too. So here it is guys, I think it may be more fun for you to make your mobile phone more easier. By that you can listen up those texts which is exited in your mobile phone by these trips, and you can not only use it in your only messages, you can use it in your messenger, WhatsApp, Viber, Imo, in your website, Wikipedia, everywhere, wherever you want. So guys, this is the shortest tricks. By that you will get more fun to use your Android mobile phone. So guys, I hope you all guys get a lot of fun from that trips there. So what's about that video guys? Do you like that video? If it's so, then I request you please give a like this video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. No more today, I have to go for today. So we will meet in our next video. Till the end, take care, have a nice day.